fixing screens. Today we're going to talk about fixing screen doors, fixing screen windows. The principle is the same for pretty much everything.
Yeah, because it's about 95 degrees today, really, really hot, and I need the door open, especially when I go to bed, but I hate it when I find moths all over my room the next day, just because I know the screen door has been ripped, has been cracked, a kid ran through it, something happened.
It's nice to have a nice slight breeze, so
Yeah.
without the mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Let's get started. First things first, you got to get the screen out of the window. It really is the hardest part. After that, it's a piece of cake. Here's what else you're gonna need. You're gonna need a utility knife, something pointy, like a flathead screwdriver or just anything laying around, a spline roller, and some screen, and possibly some spline if you need it. So that brings us to the first step, getting the spline out. Spline is this plastic cord. It keeps the screen in the window. Now, if you're lucky enough, you can keep it all in one piece and use it again. But if the weather or the sun has been beaten on this window, there's a good chance you might have to replace it. Looks like we're going to be able to reuse this one. Altogether, the project cost you about $10.
Really?
Yeah, for spline, screen.
This all costs $10?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much the same for a screen door too, so it's not bad.
Hey!
All in one piece,
Well
like that.
done, honey. Good job.
So now we'll just clean it out so we can get our new screen in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna just take my screen and roll it out over the frame. Give yourself a little bit of extra room. And then I'm gonna just cut it with some scissors. That way we don't have to deal with the huge roll. So we've got our screen, we put it out on the frame.
Oh, good.
Yep, there you go. So now we'll start rolling our spline. So you start in the corner. See how it has a groove in there? And you just kind of
Follow it.
follow it. Isn't that cool?
That's pretty cool.
Okay. See how it pulls it in there?
Yeah. Oh, this is easy.
It's like cutting pizza. Your turn.
What do I do when I get to the corner?
Okay. You just kind of head it in the other direction.
Okay.
And you can take your spline roller still. And you start and roll it in.
Do you need me to wipe some sweat off your brow?
We are done.
Nicely done.
Just throw it in the window like this.
No.
No, we gotta trim off the excess. Your utility knife, you just kind of ride it along the inside of the frame. We did it!
Woohoo!
Picture
Yes! Yes! David, it looks so good.
There's not a bug in the world that's gonna bother you.
No, there's not. And it's gonna keep us so cool for summer.
Yeah, a simple project. Keep it cool and comfortable. That's
Exactly.
what matters.
Exactly. Well said. Well said.
We'll see you guys for the next project. Good job.